This is the Contra Passo Lateral without hop and the Ginga. There are many ways for you to do this. You can cross the leg or you can just step the leg in line. I'm gonna show both and then you can decide what you prefer the most. Let's take a look at it. So I'm gonna start on my right. So I'm gonna start by bringing my leg in line first and then I'm gonna cross the leg. You can cross the leg or you can bring the leg to the side. It doesn't matter, depends on the circumstance. If I'm gonna link to a move, I cross the leg. If I don't, I can normally just go to the side and keep the leg in line. So if I'm going to my left, I step the leg, I can either cross or I can bring the leg next to the other and then shift the weight to that leg and pass. This is very useful for you to change position on the roda. Instead of just doing the Ginga all the way there, you can kind of like fast skip your position from one place to the other. So you can make as big as you want, you can travel as much as you want, depending on the space that you have. I hope that helped, and I see you on the next one.